Hello everyone, welcome to Spoken English class. Today in this class we are going to learn about have, has, had. Have, has, had. We'll call this have forms. We'll call it as have forms. Have, has, had. Okay. So now in this class we'll learn about have, has, had. How to use and when to use. Okay. Just have a look at the board now. We have a table over here now. In the table, it telling subject and present tense and past tense. So subject we have I, you, we, they. He, she, it. And in the present tense, we have and has. In past, had. Okay. Now we'll learn about it. When to use and how to use. Have and had and also has. Okay. Now see, first one, now we have subject over here I. So when you're talking about I, you, we, they, okay, I, you, we, they, we will use have in the present tense. Okay. At the same times, when you're talking about I, you, we, they, we'll use had in the past tense. Remember everyone, when you're writing, when you're doing something about these people, I, you, we, they. So in the present tense, you must use have. In the past tense, you must use had. So had always will be in the past tense only. So have will use only in the present tense. And that when you're talking about I, you, we, they. For example, I have. Now make a sentence. I have a collection of books. Okay. You have good communication skills. We have a big library in our school. They have a big cinema theater. Okay. So in this case we will use have in the present tense, especially when you're talking about I, you, we, they. Remember everyone. Okay. And obviously in the past tense, had we will use I had, you had, we had, they had. So all these things will go with this. Present tense have and past tense had. Next we have he, she, it. We have he, she, it over here now. So when you're talking about he, she, it, in the present tense, you must use has. And in the past tense, you must use had. Okay. So he, she, it, has will use. Okay. That in the present tense, had will use in the past tense. Okay. For example, he has a sibling. She has 2 daughters. It has 4 switches. So like this we will use he, she, it. In the present times, when we are talking about this, has we will use. And in the past tense, obviously had we will use. Had will come only in the past tense. Okay. Now he had. Make a sentence now everyone. He had a nice collection. She had a good memory. It had a good collection of things. Okay. Now, so when you're talking about he, she, it, we must use has in the present tense. We must use had in the past tense. We have some more examples over here. Have a look. Pramod has good communication skills. Pramod, we have a name over here now. So naming, it is noun. Okay. So he, we have to use pronoun over here instead of noun. Okay. So he, when you're talking about he, what we have to use in the present tense? Has we have to use. So Pramod has good communication skills. In case the same sentence, if you want to convert into the past tense, so Pramod had good communication skills. In place of has, we will use had. Always Had will belongs to past tense. It comes only in the past tense. Now Pramod has good communication skills. The same sentence in the past tense. Pramod had good communication skills. Next we have, they have different colors. They have different colors. As I said, when you're talking about they in the present time, we will use have. So they have different colors. Okay. Yeah. Next we have, we had a nice party yesterday. We had a nice party. I already told you about had. Always, like it comes only in the past tense, which is already happened. Okay. So we had a nice party yesterday. So we had always comes in the past tense. So we had a nice party yesterday. Okay. These are the few examples. So remember everybody now, have forms means have, has, had. We'll call these three words as have forms. Okay. And we have I, you, we, they. When you're talking about I, you, we, they, you must use have in the present tense and had always in the past tense. The same case, he, she, it. When you're talking about them, so you must use has in the present tense, had always in the past tense. Okay. Example, Pramod has good communication skills. They have different colors. We had a nice party yesterday. Okay. So this is a regards about have forms. I hope it will help you a lot. Learn it, utilize well. Please like and subscribe the video if you like it, and please do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you.